Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning stakeholder analysis and management. Stakeholders play a crucial role in business projects, influencing decisions, outcomes, and overall success. A business analyst, BA, must be able to identify, analyze, and manage stakeholders effectively to ensure smooth project execution. By the end of this class, you will understand who stakeholders are in a business project. Learn methods for stakeholder identification and analysis. Explore stakeholder mapping tools like the RACE matrix and Power Interest Grid. Learn how to manage conflicting stakeholder interests. Develop effective communication and engagement strategies. Identifying stakeholders in a business project. A stakeholder is any person, group, or organization that has an interest in or is affected by a project's outcome. Types of stakeholders. Primary stakeholders, directly impacted by the project, e.g., customers, employees, investors. Secondary stakeholders. Indirectly affected, e.g., government agencies, regulatory bodies. Internal stakeholders, within the organization, e.g., project managers, executives. External stakeholders, outside the organization, e.g., suppliers, competitors. Example: if a company is launching a new mobile app, stakeholders might include users, expect a user-friendly experience. Developers, need clear requirements for building the app. Executives, concerned about profitability. Marketing team, responsible for promoting the app. A business analyst's role is to identify all stakeholders early in the project to avoid misunderstandings and ensure smooth collaboration. Stakeholder mapping, RACE matrix, Power Interest Grid. Once stakeholders are identified, the next step is mapping them based on their level of influence and interest. RACE matrix, responsible, accountable, consulted, informed. The RACE matrix helps clarify stakeholder roles and responsibilities. Role. Description. Are responsible. Those who perform the tasks, e.g., developers. A. Accountable. The decision maker, e.g., project sponsor. C. Consulted. Those who provide input before decisions are made, e.g., legal team. I. Informed. Those who need updates but are not directly involved, e.g., customers. Example: in a software development project. Developers, R. Write the code. Project manager, A. Makes key decisions. Legal team, C. Ensures compliance. Customers, I. Are informed about new features. Power Interest Grid. This tool categorizes stakeholders based on their power, influence, and interest in the project. Power versus interest. Stakeholder management strategy. High power, high interest. Actively engage and involve them, e.g., project sponsors. High power, low interest. Keep satisfied, e.g., government regulators. Low power, high interest. Keep informed, e.g., end users. Low power, low interest. Monitor with minimal effort, e.g., general public. Understanding where stakeholders fall on this grid helps prioritize engagement strategies. Managing conflicting stakeholder interests. Stakeholders often have different and sometimes conflicting priorities. A business analyst must balance these interests strategically. Common stakeholder conflicts and solutions. Conflict. Solution. IT team wants more time, but management wants faster delivery. Set realistic deadlines and communicate trade-offs. Executives focus on cost-cutting, but customers want premium features. Find a balanced approach with essential features first. Marketing prefers aggressive promotion, but legal requires compliance checks. Involve legal early in marketing strategy discussions. A proactive approach in addressing concerns early reduces conflicts and improves collaboration. Communication strategies for different stakeholders. Each stakeholder requires a different communication style depending on their role and interest in the project. Effective communication strategies. Stakeholder type. Preferred communication method. Executives. High-level reports, presentations. Project team. Daily stand-ups, detailed updates. Customers. Newsletters, product demos. Regulators. Compliance documentation, formal reports. Best practices for effective communication. Use clear and simple language. Keep updates consistent and relevant. Adjust communication style based on stakeholder preference. Use tools like emails, meetings, reports, and dashboards effectively. Stakeholder engagement best practices. Engaging stakeholders effectively improves project support, buy-in, and success. Best practices for stakeholder engagement. Early engagement. Identify and involve stakeholders from the start. Set expectations. Clearly define roles, responsibilities, and project scope. Regular updates. Keep stakeholders informed with timely communication. Active listening. Understand and address stakeholder concerns. Transparency. Be honest about project risks, timelines, and constraints. Feedback loops. Create opportunities for stakeholder feedback to improve processes. Conclusion. This LAS covered stakeholder analysis and management, including how to identify, analyze, and engage stakeholders effectively. We explored stakeholder mapping tools, Race Matrix and Power Interest Grid, conflict resolution strategies, and best practices for communication and engagement. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.